Thursday's opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange marked the first day of trading for ZTO Express. In the initial public offering, the company sold more than 72 million shares, raking in $1.4 billion.
I am very happy. Getting listed is not the ultimate goal. It's the tactic and strategy to help the company develop. ZTO Express has only been around for 14 years, and there is huge potential to grow.
Expectations were running high for ZTO's IPO. On Wednesday, the shares were priced above their expected range. But when they began trading on Thursday, the opening price was down almost 6%. By the market's close, the shares were down 15% from their IPO price. Trader Jonathan Corpina says the investment banks underwriting the IPO got the pricing wrong.
They did step the price up from earlier indications in the past few days while they were doing the syndicate process, and they did price on the higher end. So there's definitely some wiggle room in there that they could have left on the table.
Nevertheless, he says investor interest is high among those who want access to China's growing e-commerce market. ZTO Express reports higher profit margins than either FedEx or UPS. ZTO's main customer is Alibaba, which accounted for around 77% of ZTO's business last year. ZTO's main competitors are in the process of going public on the Chinese mainland. But with this listing here in New York, ZTO has beaten them all, and it could give them a leg up in the company's bid to gain market share in China. Flush with cash, the company said it plans on buying land, facilities, and more trucks to grow its business. But shipping expert Jean-Paul Rodrigues says investing in ZTO isn't a sure thing.
The risk is the growth prospect of China are less than we think. The risk is a consolidation and a merger of competitors in light of this IPO. And a risk could be if Alibaba could change its mind and start to, I would say, restructure its deal with its distributor or go its own way.
Nevertheless, Rodrigues says at the moment there seems to be more reasons to buy into ZTO than not. Karina, CCTV, New York.